Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio, doing a flip through of Kofi Freebie number 18. It coordinates with the Mushrooms from Days Gone By series that was recently released in my Etsy shop. Then right after that, there was a Kofi Freebie number 17, 6 pages, that was uploaded to Kofi. And now we have number 18, and it also coordinates with Mushrooms from Days Gone By. And it is 6 pages as well. So nothing super exciting, but beautiful colors, super handy. Can never have enough round stuff because most of our labels are all rectangular or squared or what have you. But these are perfect for our punches. 2 inches, 1.5, 1 inch, 3/4 of an inch. And there are 5 sort of colors in the Mushrooms from Days Gone By series. And there's the green, the orange, and the yellow, and then the dark browns, and then the sort of more tea-stained or neutral. So each page has its own numbers. So it's not just the same numbers in different colors, it's different numbers in all the different colors. So that's kind of cool. Lots of variety there for you. And here's the green, really cool green metal buttons. And then the orange, some cool orange buttons. The yellow, more buttons. And then the dark neutral. And then the light neutral. And of course I wanted to fill up the space with something, so why not give you more labels? I really, really like these ones here, especially this one. I think this is my favorite. Large, medium, small, and tiny. And so, yeah, a whole bunch more labels that you can use for all sorts of things, but they coordinate really beautifully with the Mushrooms from Days Gone By series. So the Kofi links can be found below, or I should say Kofi link can be found below in the description box, as well as the Etsy listing for the series and the design team that started to do some projects with them. They are all linked down below if you want to pop over and subscribe if you haven't already, and then you will get notifications when they upload a new video. And also Sam from Samspapercreations on Instagram has joined the team. Yay! So we're happy about that. So pop on over to Instagram and give her a like and follow her as well. She would really like that, I am sure. And yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.